already we discussed about lysosome function. I told you one is for autophagy, second one is phagocytosis. How they can do like this, here we can understand with the diagrammatic part. For example, here any macromolecule food, here it is plasma membrane, here it is plasma membrane. Now the food is required by the B cell, right? How that enters into the cell? By the process phagocytosis, by the process called phagocytosis. When that enters to the into the cell, now here some amount of membrane of plasma, some area of plasma membrane will detached from here, and that form as a vacuole like this, right? Inside it has the food. Now it is the food, is food vacuole. It is called food vacuole. Now it is here food vacuole, right? And this food vacuole is digested. How that digested? These lysosomes, already I told you, this RNA means what? This ribosomes prepare the proteins. These proteins taken by the Golgi complex, and here the primary lysosome will form. These lysosomes consist hydrolytic enzymes. I already told you, hydrolytic enzymes. These primary lysosome, what happens? That comes to the this food vacuole, and that release the enzymes, and this enzyme will digest the food whatever present in this. And once the food this is digested by the enzyme of the lysosome, again the undigested food will get outside. That is exocytosis, endocytosis and exocytosis. And this is a simple sequence of entering of food into the cell and getting outside. How does the food vacuole digested by the enzymes of lysosome? This is a sequence, and that's why we can call it as a phagocytosis. But sometimes what happen here, if any other organelles like mitochondria and the remaining Golgi complex, whatever it may be, if they get injured, then what happens? These lysosome enzymes, means what, hydrolytic enzymes, will act on this injured or damaged organelle, and that also digested and sent outside, and this is called autophagy. That's why we can call it, lysosomes are called suicidal bags. Why we call suicidal bags? They are bursting themselves to protect the cell. That's why we call it suicidal bags. This is the thing. Autophagy is nothing but the destroying of injured organelles in the cell by the lysosomal enzymes is called autophagy. The entry of food, whatever required by the cell by the process, is called phagocytosis. And these things you have to remember. Here already explained here, this Golgi complex very nearer to the nucleus, and already told you sorry, here is the nucleus. From the nuclear membrane, what happens? Endoplasmic reticulum will rise, and that is very near to the Golgi complex. And Golgi complex, whatever the proteins are derived from the this endoplasmic reticulum, they are modified in the Golgi complex. This is the situation. Autophagy and phagocytosis are the functions of the lysosomes. You have to remember.